I'm here with Trey Lauderdale, the CEO of Voalté, a unique company based in Sarasota. Tell us a little about the company.
Oh, thank you, Mike. Again, my name is Trey Lauderdale, CEO, founder of Voalté. We're a software development company that focuses on clinical communication for hospitals. So if you look at our healthcare system, nurses, doctors, clinicians, they're the last group or individuals that still use pagers for communication, which is really quite unbelievable. Our company enables smartphones to replace those devices. We enable voice over IP communication, interfacing with systems that produce alarms and notifications, and secure HIPAA-compliant text messaging. So really an all-encompassing communication solution for hospitals, and they're enabled by smartphones.
Good. So you've got a unique event this week. Tell us about that.
So company's been around 7 years, and our customer base now has grown to about 150 sites. And we finally hit a critical mass where it made a lot of sense for us to finally convene our customers in one location, allow them to meet one another, talk about experience shared in the smartphone deployments, different novel approaches or technology they're integrating to Voalté. So we've launched what we're calling the Voalté User Experience 15, or View 15. It's our first user conference. We have hospitals coming throughout the United States. Here in Sarasota, we have UCSF from California coming, people from Cedars-Sinai, Mass General, Texas Children's, Nebraska, Iowa, even the Dakotas, believe it or not, are all convening here, a number of the leaders in the health IT space, and they're going to talk about clinical communications, Voalté, and hopefully see that Sarasota is an absolutely amazing place to visit and vacation, and build some more awareness about the community. So we're pretty excited. You know, we love being here, and anytime we have an opportunity to showcase the city, we're thrilled about it.
And your event, as I understand it, is part of a larger sort of a event that the two EDCs have concocted for this week called Health Innovation Week.
Yes.
How do they fit together?
So I had an opportunity to meet with Mark and Sharon of the two EDCs of Manatee County and Sarasota County EDC, and I was sharing with them the idea behind the Voalté User Conference, and that we were going to have all these big name organizations coming to town, and all of these individuals from across the U.S. convening in Sarasota. And at the same time, just in a brainstorming session, they brought up the idea of leveraging the Voalté User Conference and maybe using it as an anchor event to build out awareness around the, I guess, health innovation companies, biomed, digital health organizations in the greater Sarasota, Bradenton area. So over a couple-month period, it kind of went from 0 to 100, and we put a series of events around the Voalté User Conference just to build greater awareness of these companies. And I think it's great for the community. The more we can help build awareness of industries outside of tourism. I think tourism is great. We love it. It helps feed the economy, but we definitely want to try to drive as much diversification as possible. And Health Innovation Week is our start at just trying to build some of that awareness. There's a lot of great companies here, and we hope to make the area as sustainable as possible for the long term, and hopefully attract some more companies and keep growing Sarasota.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe we'll get somebody deciding they need a southern campus.
It's a great location for southern campuses, and I think it's gonna, you don't build an ecosystem overnight. This isn't something where we're gonna turn a light switch and suddenly we have this thriving biomed or digital health environment. But I think these events are important as they start to build momentum. And as you and I were talking before the session started, there's companies that both of us had no idea exist in Sarasota. And I'm in the industry, and you're a reporter that covers this, and covers business in Sarasota. So if you and I don't know about it, you know that our general population doesn't. So just starting to continue to beat the drum and say Sarasota has more than wonderful beaches and restaurants. There's a lot of health activity going on, and if you're starting a company or you're looking to relocate, there's some pretty attractive offerings here, and besides a great work-life balance.
Well, thanks for talking with us.
Anytime, Mike, anytime.